Today, we will share 4 amazing tips to get rid of dandruff naturally. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Dandruff is a common condition of the scalp faced by people of all ages, all around the world. It is basically the excessive shedding of dead skin from your scalp and is caused by an extremely oily, dry, or infected scalp. Research is yet to pinpoint the exact cause of dandruff, and there is no permanent cure for the condition. However, there are ways to control and minimize the problem. In this video, we will discover 4 amazing tips to get rid of dandruff naturally. So make sure to pay close attention to every second of this video, as we are going to start with our first tip, and the tip is: wash your hair regularly. The accumulation of excess oils, dirt, and dead skin cells on your scalp increases the risk of dandruff. Hence, you should wash your hair regularly to keep it clean and dandruff-free. However, do not use harsh shampoos that might dry out your scalp and worsen the condition. Second tip: switch to anti-dandruff shampoos. Switching from a regular to anti-dandruff shampoo is the easiest option to treat dandruff. Anti-dandruff shampoos contain salicylic acid, ketoconazole, zinc pyrithione, and selenium sulfide that work against flakiness. Third tip: change your diet. A poor diet that lacks essential vitamins and minerals can lead to dandruff. A study shows that foods rich in fat and sugar result in more instances of dandruff than a fruit diet. Thus, maintain a balanced diet that includes essential nutrients, proteins, and minerals to keep the hair and scalp healthy. And the final tip is: exfoliate your scalp. Exfoliating your scalp can help remove dead skin cells and product buildup. Scalp exfoliators lock your scalp's natural moisture, reduce dryness, and prevent the formation of flakes. You can also use a hot oil mask to balance the oil production of your scalp. By following these 4 tips, you will be able to control dandruff naturally. In our upcoming videos, we will share some effective home remedies for dandruff. So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.